Conveyor belt sushi is always a must-have in Japan. It's cheap, fun, and an easy way to try lots of types of sushi, but it's also really popular. I've often spent 45 minutes to an hour waiting for a seat. You can save so much time on your Japan trip by making a reservation. Today, I'll show you how at Sushiro, one of the most popular conveyor belt sushi chains. I'll show you how to check in when you arrive and how to find these branches that have giant touchscreens. Making a reservation is easier if you're in the same area as the restaurant you want to go to. I'll show you that first, then after I'll show you how to reserve for a store in a different location. We're going to use the app. The Sushiro Japan app's only available if your app store is set to Japan, but there are several international versions. I use the Malaysia Sushiro app. Okay, we're just seeing if we can reserve a table for Sushiro because the wait time is 55 minutes. It shows nearby stores automatically. Nearby Kuala Lumpur. What? Make sure you've got Japan selected. Country selection is in the menu on the top left, then you just have to restart the app. That's also where you can change the language to English. Press the red reservation button. Ah, that's more like it. Find the store you want and tap the red going later button to make a reservation. Select the date and tap confirm date. Then the number of people. You can choose a table or counter seat. Table seats tend to be more popular, although it depends on the restaurant. So if there aren't any times available for tables, take a look at the counter seats. Oh wow, it's all full up till 8 p.m. 2 p.m. Yeah. Pick your time and tap the red reserve button. You'll get a reservation number, you'll need that later. I'll usually take a screenshot. And that's it. Here's how to book at a restaurant that isn't nearby, for example, if you'll be somewhere else that evening or for a different day. Tap store at the bottom. Unfortunately, changing the language to English doesn't translate everything in the app. For some reason, this section's still in Japanese. It helps if you have someone else with you who can use their phone for Google Translate or translate screenshots. This drop-down menu has all the regions of Japan. Tokyo is this one near the top. Unless you know the Japanese characters for the store you want, the easier option is to use the map view. Tap on the restaurant you want and tap on its name. When I first tried it, this part was really buggy. 4 of us were trying on both iPhones and Android and managed to get to the next step only through a random series of going back and re-tapping. Then at some point it would magically continue. But fingers crossed that's fixed, as it's working much better now. At this point, you can tap the red button on the right to make a reservation, then choose the date, the number of people, the time, and confirm your reservation. It's sushi time. Here's what to do when you arrive. If you don't speak Japanese, Sushiro might be harder to spot because it's all in katakana. Sushiro. Look for the red circle. When it's your reservation time, go to the check-in kiosk at the entrance. You can change the language to English with a button at the top. Tap customer with smartphone reservation check-in. Here's where you'll need your reservation number. 7161. Yes. Take the receipt and wait for your number to be called out. It printed out this, which is the same as our reservation number from the app. Then they called our number when our seat was ready. It came up on a screen and they called it out in English as well, so you don't have to worry about hearing Japanese numbers.
Calling for customers with ticket number 234.
Once your number appears, scan your receipt at the kiosk and you get another receipt with your seat number. It printed out this receipt, which has our seat numbers on. There's another self-service kiosk for payment. I'll show you that in a minute. But first, let's eat. Once you found your seat, you can go nuts ordering as much sushi as you want. You order on a touchscreen which has English. It's really cheap and there's a great selection. What's this one?
Amberjack, tuna, albacore, scallops, and my favourite, some yellowtail.
Plus some wildcard options like omurice sushi, okonomiyaki sushi, egg salad gunkan, and corn tempura nigiri, which is surprisingly good. There are things like noodles and chips if someone in your group doesn't like sushi, and some non-fish items. Cucumber roll, definitely. I'm a vegetarian. While there isn't a huge choice, there's enough for a meal. At the end of the video, there'll be a flick through the whole menu so you can see what there is. How amazing are these giant touchscreens? Only some branches have them. Later on, I'll show you how to find them. I also have a video comparing Sushiro with Kura Sushi, one of the other popular chains, and a video about how to make a reservation at Kura, which saves a lot of time. When you're done, select the option to check out on the touchscreen and it'll show you the total.
That's quite a lot for you.
Isn't that our combined one?
That is our combined one.
Yeah, our combined order, 2,790 yen. Bring your payment card to the register.
Scan your receipt at the payment kiosk. There is an option to change the language at the top. You can pay by cash or card.
Please select the payment method.
Yep, cash.
Please insert cash.
Sushiro is pretty self-service. In theory, you could do the whole thing without talking to anyone, but there are staff there to help if you need them. Some branches of Sushiro have these giant screens. It feels a bit like being at the cinema when it's so close to you. Sushiro has a game where for every certain number of plates you order, you get a chance to win a gachapon. And at these branches, it's giant. The big screens are called Digiro. To find a branch that has them, in the store finder, select the region and tick this box in the top left. It says Digiro. This one's in Akihabara. There are several in Tokyo. I hope that helps, and I hope you enjoy lots of sushi on your trip. If you have sushi cravings at home, I wrote and drew a recipe comic book that shows you how to make your own sushi, so you can have as much as you want and make it just how you like it. You can get it from cakeswithfaces.co.uk. I do ship worldwide. There's also a gift set with a rolling mat and 2 pairs of chopsticks. So sorry if this video has made you hungry. There's lots more videos on my channel to help with planning your trip. I'll see you next week on Thursday with Japan travel news, and I'll leave you with the Sushiro menu. It's quite a lot to go through the whole menu, isn't it?